morning, guys. So we are in, actually, I think we're almost in Kennebunkport, Maine. Well, we're in between Kennebunkport, Maine, but we found Motorland, Maine's classic car museum, showroom, service, and storage. They got a bunch of old hot rods you can see in the background. Some really cool Mustangs. Okay, so that's not a hot rod, but that's a Mercedes. Look at this. Really cool. Another white Corvette. We've seen a bunch of them. They have got a warehouse that they told me I can walk around in. But we're going to check out all the cars on the outside first. We're going to walk over there. See you in a minute. '32 Ford Model B. Let's get it out. That is freaking awesome. That would be a really cool car to have. Other than the velour interior, yeah, I really don't like that. Pretty damn cool though. Oh look, a Fiero, 88 Fiero, 6,500 bucks. They can have that. 57 Bel Air. 56. There's Grandpa's car. Old Delta. Ooh, wait a minute. That might be a bumper up to Delta 88 or nope, that's a 98. My grandfather had that car. Ain't that cool? And we got the Range Rover. Oh, not too much. Oh. Now this is it. I like this. Look at that. Other than the color, now I like that. That kind of power steering. Look at that. I like that. Four-wheel drive F100. Really cool. Just sitting on the side of the road in Saco, Maine. That's where we're at. See, I like that front end. That right there is a cool front end. Then we got the old Mustang too. Is that not the bane of every Mustang owner's existence? That's almost as bad as the Ford Pinto. So, my wife wants to go look at this Volkswagen over here, because that's what she wants, is a Volkswagen. Uh-oh, we got a Dodge. I see it. Dodge Coronet, 68 model or 67. My dad had one of these when he would work at NIPSCO, Northern Indiana Public Service Company. That one's got the 440 though, ours had the 318. That was the first motor that I ever worked on. I changed valve cover gaskets in it. pretty stinking cool. I had to get out of the Jeep. We're driving to Boston, but we have run into traffic after traffic after traffic. So yeah, I had to get out and walk around. Mama's sitting in the truck, but I like this. This is what Mama wants. Oh look, it's even got, it's a camper special. 60,000 miles, 68. I like that. That is freaking nice. We're gonna go in here to the warehouse. So let's spock it out. I'll see when we get in there. All right, so we entered the warehouse. There is a buttload of cars in here. Ford Model A. There's my wife's car. Nope, that's a Triumph TR6. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. There's another Ford. We have the camouflage Jeep in the back. These are awesome. Of course, this is just the bomb diggity. Got the Zephyr. All right, this is what we need. 1917 Buick snowmobile. How cool is that? The original Woody. We're not going to walk back there, but y'all see that is cool. Alright guys, that probably pretty much does it. So we will see you at the next stop. We got a dangum Land Rover pulling in here right now. This is cool. Alright, we'll catch y'all later. Comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. On the road, hunting down some cars. See you later. Bye.